In this video, I'll be showing you how you can upload audio on 123rf.com. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is log into your contributor account. Then from here, you need to click upload. You need to click audio, and this page should be popping up. Then from here, you need to go down and install the program called FireZilla. And don't worry, it's not going to give you a virus. Then from here, you need to host it with this host you can find right here. And then you need to write in your username and your password and click quick connect like so. And now it's going to take some time to connect into the account. When that is done, you can see down here, directional listing successful. Then from here, you need to find your song that you want or your audio that you want to upload to the site. And I want to upload this one. And then I just need to drag this in to this corner here, not the remote side or the local side. This one down here. And as you can see now, it has been uploading. And as you can see, this many bytes in 4 seconds. Then from here, something changed out here. One file I recognized and uploaded to FTP server. And then you need to click down here that you are understanding that this is your sound and click process. Then from here, this page is popping up. And you can go up here and read about the requirements. And when you're done reading that, you need to click continue. Then from here, your audio has been successfully uploaded and now it's processing. Then from here, afterwards, when it's done processing, you need to write in your title, your keywords, etc, 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 like usual. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!